Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to add Crunchyroll to your Roku TV step by step so you can start streaming your favorite anime in no time. First, make sure your Roku TV is properly connected to the internet and powered on. Navigate to the home screen by pressing the home button on your Roku remote. Step 1. From the Roku home screen, scroll down and select Streaming Channels. This is where you can browse or search for new apps. Step 2. Use the Search Channels option and type in Crunchyroll using the on-screen keyboard or voice search. Step 3. When Crunchyroll appears in the search results, select the app to open its details page. Here, you'll see a description and ratings for the app. Step 4. Select Add Channel to install Crunchyroll on your Roku TV. The app will start downloading automatically. Wait a few moments while the installation completes. Step 5. Once the installation is done, press OK to return to the home screen where you can find the Crunchyroll app in your list of channels. Step 6. Open the Crunchyroll app. If you already have an account, sign in using your email and password. If not, follow the on-screen instructions to create a free account or subscribe to a premium plan. After signing in, you can start browsing thousands of anime titles, episodes, and movies. Use the remote to navigate through categories, search for your favorite series, and enjoy high-quality streaming. Now you're ready to enjoy Crunchyroll on your Roku TV anytime. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more easy-to-follow streaming and tech guides.